In my previous video, I talked about how to make and sell digital products. I got so many questions asking how one can sell digital products without owning a website or an online store. There are very many platforms that can be used for search, like Etsy, Gumroad, Standstore, and very many others. Unfortunately, most of these do not work in some countries where Stripe and PayPal are restricted. So if you're in such countries, I have very good news for you. There is a platform called selar that is very beginner friendly. It operates worldwide and supports most African currencies. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can set up your own seller store and start selling digital products for free. Without wasting so much time, let us get into it. The first thing to do is to go to your browser and search for selar.com. Choose the first result that Google brings. When the website opens, click this huge button that reads Start Selling with Selar. It will lead you to a page with a form where to create your account. Here you'll feed in your name and email address and a new password that you would like to use to access your account in the future. The next page will ask you how you plan to use selar. You select the first option, which is creator. Click continue as creator. Next, you will select your gender, date of birth, and phone number. Save and then continue to the next page. The next part is setting up the payment system. This is how you'll be paid and how you'll be able to access your money once your product has been bought. Here you'll need to put your bank details. This is important because when someone buys a product, the money they pay directly goes to your seller wallet. And in order to withdraw it, you will need to transfer it from your seller wallet to your bank account in order to access it. So choose your country, your city, your bank, and the branch, and then add the account number. And that's it. When you put all this information, then your account is created. Your profile is created. So in order to check your profile, you go, we click these 3 lines, and they'll bring a drop-down menu. Here you can add your products, you can change the settings, you can see your wallet, you can see how many sales you have. The next part, we are going to see how we can add our digital products. So let's see how to put our digital products on display for sale. In this menu, you will click products. When this page pops up, just click here on add digital product. Next, it will take you to this page. The first thing you will do is to add your digital product images. You upload this from the folder where you had previously saved it. I taught about this in my previous video. If you don't know how, you can check it out. So upload this from your folder where you would have saved it. You put the name of the product, the price you want to sell it at, the category, the description, and any other information you'd want the customers to know about your product. Next, you select the product type. It is a digital product, so select digital product. Then under the file access type, click downloadable file, so that when someone pays, they receive a link to download your product. Next, in this blank space, it says drag or upload your product. So you click here to upload your PDF file. That is the digital product. After uploading it, click create product, and now your product is live on the internet. Anyone that has a link to your store can access it. Anyone that has an internet connection. Now let's see how our product looks like after it has been displayed. So here up where the product link is, you click that link, and this is how our product looks like on display. It shows the price in dollars, but you can change to your preferred currency, to shillings, to nairas, to Rwandan francs, and Kenyan shillings, any other currency that you work with. This is what your customer will see. If they click buy now, it takes them to this page where they feed in their email, their Visa card details, or mobile money, and the money they pay shall be sent to your seller wallet instantly, where you can of course later withdraw it to your bank account and access it. In case you have more than one product, this is how your shop will look like. I happen to have quite a number of products in my store, so this is my display. If you have various products, this is how they will look like on display. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my previous video about why you should start selling digital products. Good luck.